In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a live Paperform link to a button on your free WordPress website. This is a simple and effective way to guide visitors from your website directly to your Paperform, whether you're collecting responses, taking bookings, or sharing a custom form. The process is very beginner friendly, and once you understand the basic flow, you can repeat it anytime you want to connect a button to an external page. To get started, first copy the public link of your live paper form. Make sure you're using the public live version of the form, not an internal editing link. This is important because the button on your website needs to send visitors to a version they can actually access. Once you've copied that link, keep it handy because you'll paste it into your button settings in just a moment. Next, open your free WordPress.com website editor tool. Go to the page where you want this button to appear. This could be your home page, a landing page, a contact page, or any other section of your site where it makes sense to invite people to open your form. Take a moment to look at your layout before making changes so you can place the button in a spot that feels natural and easy for visitors to notice. Now insert a standard button block onto your target page design layout. In the editor, add the button where you want it to appear. Then type the button text you want visitors to see. Keep the wording clear and action-oriented, something that tells people exactly what will happen when they click. This helps improve usability and makes the button more effective. After that, add the copied Paperform link to the button interaction properties. Paste the link into the button's link field carefully and double-check that the full URL is included. A quick review here can save you from broken links later. If your editor gives you a preview or lets you test the link, it's a good idea to use it so you can confirm everything is working properly. Finally, publish your changes. Once the page is updated, visit the live version of your website and click the button yourself to make sure it opens the correct paper form. That final test is worth doing every time because it ensures your visitors will have a smooth experience. And that's it. You've successfully connected a WordPress.com button to your live paper form using a simple external link.